Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to stop your iPhone from listening to you by turning off microphone access and disabling Siri settings. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and here scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Select Microphone. Here you'll see which apps have access to your microphone. Toggle off any apps you don't want listening. Then, go back to Settings and scroll to Siri and search. Turn off Listen for Hey Siri and also toggle off the press side button for Siri if you don't want to use it. Finally, disable Allow Siri when locked for extra privacy. And that's it. You've now stopped your iPhone from listening in the background. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.